Welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. If you experience knee pain while walking, climbing stairs, or sitting after long hours, this practice is for you. Knee pain doesn't come from the knee alone. It happens when the muscles around the knees, your hips, your thighs, calves are tight or weak. In today's short practice, we will gently strengthen the muscles that support your knee and stretch the areas that usually hold tension. Move slowly, stay in your comfort zone, and remember there should be no sharp pain while doing these exercises. Let's get started.
Stand close to a wall or behind a chair for support. If you feel steady, you can try without any support. Fingertips lightly touching for balance and keep your feet hip width apart. Now rise up on your toes, hold at the top and lower down slowly. Don't just drop your heels. Come as slow as you can. That's where the strength builds. We'll do 12 reps in total. Rise, hold and lower. Keep continue few more times. Every time you take a step, your foot hits the ground and there is impact. Your calves are supposed to absorb that. When they are weak, that impact goes straight to your knees. So strong calves means less stress on your knees. Few more times. Rise, hold and come down. Last two. And relax. Stay close to the wall for support, or you may sit down on a chair for the next exercise. If you are able to maintain your balance, you can also try it without any support. Lift your right knee up in front of you. Now slowly extend your leg out straight. Squeeze your quad hard at the top. Really feel the front of your thigh tighten. Bend the knee back in and straight. We'll do 10 reps each side. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles at the front of your thighs, your quadriceps, the most important muscle for your knee. 3 more reps and feel the front of your thigh working. Keep breathing in and out through your nostril. Last one, extend and release. Shake your legs out. Let's switch the side. Shift your weight on your right leg and lift your left knee up. Keep a soft bend in your right knee. 10 reps. Lift, extend, squeeze and bend. Feel the front of your thigh working. Nice and controlled. Few more times. Keep breathing in and out through your nostrils. 4 more reps. Last two. And lower. Continue using the wall or chair for support for the next exercise. Shift your weight on your right leg. Now bend your left knee and bring your heel toward your hip. Lower with control. We'll do 10 reps each side. This exercise strengthens the back of your thigh, your hamstring. Curl and lower with control. Feel the back of your thigh working. 4 more reps. Stay present with your breath. Last two. And release. Let's do it on the other side. Now shift your weight on your left leg, keeping a soft bend in your left knee. Continue using the wall or chair for support. Now bend your right knee and bring your right heel toward your right hip. Keep your thighs parallel and lower with control. 10 reps right side. Your hamstrings work with your quads to protect your knees from both sides. Curl and lower. Keep your upper body still. and continue to breathe in and out slowly. Last 2 breaths. Last one and release. Now turn to your side. Right side faces the wall, right hand on the wall or chair for support. Now lift your left leg straight out to the side, keeping your hips level without leaning to the wall side. 10 repetitions this side. This movement works for your outer hip. It keeps your pelvis stable when you walk. Keep your hips square and no swinging. Last 2. And relax. Now turn around, left hand on wall, right leg lifts. 10 repetition. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Slow and controlled movement without swinging your body. Maintain a smooth, steady breath in and out. 5 more times. Last 2. And relax. Now stand with your back to the chair a few inches away. Keep your feet hip width apart. We are going into chair squat for 10 repetitions. Bring your arms in front of you and push your hips back and lower down. Try to touch your hips to the chair and then press through your heels and lift back up. If you can't go that far, that's completely fine. Go only as low as your body allows. Keep your knees over your ankles, not past your toes, and not turning inward. They should point the same direction as your toes. Keep continue. This is the most functional exercise. You are working your quads, glutes, and inner thighs all at once. Keep your chest lifted. Last 2. And relax. Now choose wall or your chair for the next exercise, whatever feels comfortable. If using the chair, hold the back of the chair for support. If using the wall, face it with hands at shoulder height. Step your left foot back about 2 feet. Keep that back leg straight. Press your left heel firmly into the floor. That's the leg getting stretched. Now bend your front knee. The deeper you bend the front knee, the deeper the calf stretch. Your front leg just gives you stability and controls the depth. Hold here for 20 seconds. Keep pressing your back heel down and breathe. We strengthen the calves, now we lengthen them. Keeping your calves flexible helps your knees move better. Take last deep breath and release. Let's switch our side. Now take your right foot back, keeping your right leg straight. Press your right heel down and bend into your left knee. Hold here for 20 seconds. Breathe in and breathe out, staying calm and present. 5 seconds more. And release. Now stay with your chair, use a wall, or if your balance is good, you can do the next exercise without any support. Bend your right knee and grab your right ankle behind you with your right hand. If you can't reach, use a towel or strap. Hold there for 20 seconds. Pull your heel toward your hip. Keep knees close together. Stand tall and don't lean forward. You will feel this along the entire front of your thigh. Hold for 5 more seconds. And release. Let's do it on the second side. Keep your right hand on chair for support. Hold your left ankle with your left hand and pull your left heel towards your left hip. Stand tall and hold here for 20 seconds. Keep your knees close together and feel this stretch along the entire front of your left thigh. 10 more seconds and keep breathing. Try not to lean forward and slowly release. Now come down to sit on your mat or bed, whatever feels comfortable for our next exercise. Sit with both legs extended in front of you. Place a yoga block or any roll towel under your left knee. Place your palms back and now press the back of your left knee down into the block. Feel your left thigh muscle tighten, especially the front of your thigh. Hold there for 5 seconds and release. Lift, hold, and release. Do this repetition 10 times at your own pace. We worked on our quadriceps hard. Now we activate and release them. Continue to breathe in and out slowly. 2 more times. Lift, hold, and release. Now move the block under your right knee and extend both your legs. Let's do 10 repetitions on this side. Press, hold for 5 and release. Press, hold and release. Continue 8 more times. This simple press strengthens the muscle that protects your kneecap. Remember to keep breathing in and out through your nose. 4 more times at your own pace. No rush here. Last 2. Last 1. And release. Now lie down on your back. Bend both of your knees, keeping your feet flat on the floor. Put your block, or if you are using the pillow, between your thighs, just close to the knees. Now squeeze the pillow or the block about 50 to 70% of your effort, firm but not maxing out. Hold there for 5 seconds and release. We'll do 10 squeezes here. Squeeze, hold and release. Feel both inner thighs working. Keep continue at your own pace, working on your inner thighs, your adductors. They stabilize your knees from the inside. When they are weak, your knee can drift outward during movement. Last one, squeeze, hold, and release. Set the block aside and stay as you are, knees bent, feet flat, hip width apart, arms by your side. Now press through your heels and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top and release. We'll do this movement 10 times. Nice and controlled. Lift, squeeze and lower. Make sure your knees are over your ankles, not falling in, not splaying out. Few more times at your own pace. This targets your glutes, the big muscles of your butt. Strong glutes control your hip and thigh position. When they are weak, your thigh rotates inward and pull your knees out of alignment. Last one, lift, squeeze, hold and lower. Now stay as you are and take a deep breath here. Now draw your left knee in, hold behind your left thigh, not behind the knee. Behind the knee puts pressure on the joint. Straighten your left leg towards the ceiling. Doesn't need to be perfectly straight. Find where you feel a gentle stretch along the back of your left thigh. Flex your foot and lower. Do this repetition 10 times at your own pace. Stay present with your breath Inhale and exhale, slow and steady. 3 more times. Last one and hold. Flex your foot, your toes facing towards you, and release. Other side. Draw your right knee in this time. Hold behind your right thigh, not behind the right knee. Straighten your right leg towards the ceiling and slowly lower it down. 10 repetitions. Keep your right foot flexed and keep breathing. Tight hamstrings pull on the back of your knee. Keeping them flexible matters. Feel the stretch and breathe into it. 4 more times and try not to lift your hips off the ground. Keep your shoulders relaxed. 2 more reps before we hold it. Last one and hold there. Keeping your right foot flexed, feel the stretch alongside your right hamstring and release. Bring your feet back to the mat. Bend both of your knees again, feet flat. This is our last stretch. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Flex your left foot to protect your knee joint. Now bring your knees in towards you and reach through to hold behind your right thigh. Pull it toward your chest. Keep your head and shoulders down and hold there for 20 seconds. Keep breathing and let the hip open. Shoulders stay relaxed and release the back of your neck. Keep your toes flexed and be there. Slowly release. Other side. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Flex your right foot. Reach through your hands and hold behind your left thigh. Pull it toward your chest. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep head and shoulders down. This stretch releases your outer hip, your piriformis, and your IT band. Tightness in these areas often shows up as outer knee pain. So keep breathing into the stretch. Slowly release from the pose and bring your feet down. Beautiful. You are done with all the work. Now roll to one side and bring yourself up, sitting in a comfortable cross-leg position. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on the mat. Namaste.